love corn dogs. And this is super simple. The batter that we're gonna make is really easy and super versatile. You can do a lot of different things with it. It's just a half a cup of self-rising flour.
Now down here, I got a package of hot dogs. And Jamie has instructed me to cut them in thirds.
Cut them into thirds. We're doing small bites today.
Yes, because
so
it's all about appetizers.
And I'm gonna have 1.5 cups of cornmeal. I don't know if y'all have ever noticed that when you eat a corn dog, it's kind of sweet. So we're gonna put 3 tablespoons of sugar into our batter. Now this batter is gonna look a lot like the first batter we did earlier this morning, kind of like a pancake. It's gotta be a little bit thicker and not so runny.
Now down here, I've got our hot dogs cut in thirds, so now I'm gonna toss them in some cornstarch.
That cornstarch is gonna help the batter stick better to the hot dogs.
Yes.
My liquid in this is gonna be 1.25 cup of buttermilk. I'm gonna give this a turn and make sure my consistency is good, but this is gonna be perfect.
And then I've got some little skewers, wooden skewers that we have soaked in water so that they won't burn. And now I'm just gonna stick a stick into each of our hot dogs.
I'm gonna take these and knock a little bit of that cornstarch off, and I'm just gonna dredge it down through the batter, straight into the fryer.
And Jamie's got the fryer at 350 degrees.
You know, the corn dog started at the Texas State Fair. That's where this came up.
I didn't know that. They are beautiful, beautiful. Son, I'm just gonna move these around and give you room to drop in some more.
Those are perfect, they're ready.
Okay, all right, so I'm just gonna toss those out on the platter. Look at that, y'all. Son, those are like picture perfect. Little mini corn dogs. Little in the mustard, little in the ketchup, and a little in the mouth.
Go corn dogs. Ah. Mine's hot.
Jamie, this is the best corn dog I've ever tasted.
Yay!
The best corn dog I have ever tasted. Look, y'all, delicious. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.